What's that now? Don't like the cold? Can't stay in today. We have a ritual to perform, you and I. Here. Wear this. It belonged to my daughter. Good. Today, I speak your name, girl. But will the goddess speak it back? Normally, it would be the mother who declares, if you had one. The whole village would attend, and matriarchs perform the ritual. But we are outcasts. Even so, we keep the tribe's rituals. Otherwise, we might become like the faithless old ones, who turned their backs on the goddess. But their wickedness doomed them. To us, were left the splendors of creation, beasts of air, water, earth, and steel. It is one thing to hunt a beast, another to hunt a machine. You must be humble and respect their power. I will teach you this. One day. High Matriarch Tirsa. What is she doing here? Does she mean to forbid the ritual?
No, off your knees. It's nearly time. And yes, you may speak to me.
You came to bless the naming.
Have not 6 months gone by since we entrusted her to you?
But we are outcasts.
You by choice, and she, well... I am a High Matriarch, Rost. I bless whom I choose.
Then you honor us.
Yes, now go, and be ready to declare. Go! All-Mother, this child needs a name by which to know her. That your love may warm her life as the rising sun warms all the earth. Speak her name!
Aloy!
And so her name is blessed.
Stop this at once! What have you done?
I've blessed the naming of a child.
Stubborn woman, you call that curse a child? What did she tell you about his birth, outcast? Answer!
I've done only what you asked.
To raise it, yes. We said nothing of love.
Enough.
And you, blessing its name like it was one
I
of the
know
Nora,
my duty
one
to
of the
them.
tribe.
And to you.
Without consultation.
I'm here.
Did all year, did
And wherever you go, I will follow.
Selam dostlar, sizlerмен бірге Badgy Play арнасы. Бүгін біз Horizon Zero Dawn дейтін ойынды ойнайтын боламыз. Өздеріңіз көрдіңіздер, бұл керемет ойын болады деген ойдамын. Бұл енді бұл жерде біз арда қойық, алып кеттік. Бізде загрузка оқып жатыр. Алты жылдан кейін дейді. Үлкейіп қапты ғана.
That's a lot of berries.
Емне, беттерім бірақ сызып алған. Беттерім кетіп алған, чимайлап саған сияқты ба.
Well done, that's a good boy. Children, come with me. She's an outcast, to be shunned. There. Oh, come on.
Мынадан неге бәрі қорқады? Ашу келді ғой, типа жекелегесінде. Әкесін атымен атайды екен ғой.
Down here! Frost! Frost! He won't hear me.
Қорқпа,
Some kind of
ойнап бастады. Қайда баруымыз керек бізге? Әйтеуір жүгіріп бара жатырық, алдағы қарай. Чос жіберді ғой анау, капец жаман.
looks tight, but I can get through.
Не, похуй.
This must be a ruin of the metal.
Мынау қуырдың арамсың ма? Қуырдың арамсың ма? Не болды? Мен қайда түсіп кеттім? Вау, мына есік. Мына өзі бір қорқпайды
Ross said
екен.
never go in places like this. But I have to find a way out.
Жайын істеймін. Саты таптық. Ема, не деген жаман. Прям қорқынышты болған енді бір алдыңнан қанын жарғанда шыққан кезде қорқып кетеді екенсің.
There's something up ahead. What's that? A dead person. There's something shiny there.
Мә, адамның басы бірекейін. Мынау не? Наушник па деп қалдым ғой. Айбай.
Lights. Everywhere. How does it do this?
Ема.
A metal door. Closed.
Қалай нау?
Maybe this device I found can help. How do I get it open?
Қалай? Йома, не болып кетті. Түсінбей жатырмын мен.
More light, a shape. It's connected to the door somehow.
Ема, уже қиын миссиялар беріп жатыр бізге. Қандайды қою керек қой. Айбай. Вау.
It changed color.
Дегенмен де қиын тапсырмалар екен. Ойынды сразу бастай салысымен есіктің дөңі тышқан кетіп бара жатыр.
The door
Көрдіңдер
changed
ма?
color too. It did it.
Куда? төмен жақта екен ғой.
What's that? a device, like the one I found.
You think I want it this way? It's the best I can do. He's right behind you. Hi! Happy birthday, Isaac. Daddy sure does love his little big man. Look, Daddy can't be there with you and Mom, but we can still have a party, right? Sure we can.
Show me. Show me again.
I can do. He's right behind you. Hi! Happy birthday, Isaac. Daddy sure does love his little big man. Look, Daddy can't be there with you and Mom, but we can still have a party, right? Sure we can.
Adam görgөнүн эмес.
Happy birthday, Isaac. Daddy sure does love his little big man.
Ема. Жоғары қарай шығады екенбіз кетіп. Құс атыдан рең шығып көзі тұрып. Секіріп қояды өзі.
Why did they die here? What happened to them?
Жаңа hard'ын тыңдап едік, соң өзінде қиын болды ғой. Жаңа very hard'ын тыңдап, ultra hard деп тұрдық, соны тыңдаған деген вообще елестете алмаймын ғой мен не болады. Әкесіз деп жүр.
He found me. Ross found me. Down here. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh, Mother be praised. Come, girl. Take my hand. You don't belong down there. Come. Such places are forbidden, Aloy.
I fell in.
They are of the metal world. What is that on your face?
Nothing.
Did you find it down there?
No.
Give it to me.
Ха. Наушник ілгіден жатыр құлағында.
Such things are dangerous.
No!
Well, if you're gonna go sneaking away from home, you need to know how to survive in the wild. Come, Aloy.
Aloy.
Home now.
Аты қызы
Starting tomorrow?
Aloy.
Learn to hunt.
Қыс болып кеткен уже.
All these shapes. What do they mean?
Take your bow.
Bow. Vay. Onde dedim küçük nesnes. Anam
muttering to that
sosyal
plaything.
medya.
We descend to the valley now. Follow. The wilds can be dangerous.
Бағанағы роботтар жайлы айтып
You need to
жатыр.
stay
Олар
close and do as I
өте
say.
қауіпті деп.
I know.
Егер ағылшынша білетін
You're still
болсаңыздар,
scratched up from that
Yeah,
fall you took
aslında
yesterday. So let's
subtitle
start
tur.
there. Take this medicine pouch. I'll show you how to fill it. See this plant over here? It's called salve brush. Come, gather its berries in your pouch. Good. Now eat the berries. They may taste bitter, but they can save your life. Always keep your pouch full of medicinal berries, flowers, and plants.
Where are we?
This valley is just a part of All Mother's embrace.
Embrace.
The Nora tribe watches these lands and keeps out the most dangerous machines. Usually.
Мына графиканы қараңдаршы, бачу, ағаштар,
Further downriver, we'll find a herd of machines, and I will teach you how to hunt.
Are they dangerous?
All machines are dangerous.
барлық қауіпті дейді.
Their power must be respected. But I will be beside you.
Мынау күз ба, қыс па, не білем ау.
Aloy, a machine's coming. Crouch and follow me into the tall grass.
Роботтар бар дейді не жерде.
There. Now stay low.
Little one.
No, Aloy. Such machines are called watchers. You must learn to avoid their gaze. If you are to survive in the wilds, I will show you. Listen close and do as I do. Stay still. Wait for it to pass. Now keep low and follow me across the trail to
Қиын
that tall grass.
патихара кетіп бара жатыр ғой. Мына қыздың көлеңкесін қараңдар.
Oh, another one. Let it pass.
Жүрсі қойман.
Come, back this way. The slower you move, the quieter you'll be. And crouched walking is quieter than upright.
Айбай шөптердің арасынан көрінбей қаласың ғой.
Wait for it.
Не? Бір орында тоқтайсыз ба бәлкім? Маған
That's the last of them.
немене дір-дір кетіп бара жатсың ғой дірілдеп. Ал енді серьезный жүре берейік па бүйтіп.
You did well. They didn't see or hear you. Now stay close. That herd should be just ahead.
Мына табиғаттан. Мынау шын адам бір екен. Шын адам ба? Немене?
Who's that?
Ignore him.
But why is he up there?
Акробатист қой анау.
He's smiling at us.
Deb! Get back where you belong! Deb! Where are you?
Ignore him. We are outcasts and he is of the tribe.
Maybe he doesn't like the tribe.
And he is a fool. Come now. Let's find that herd. Follow. There. See them? These are called striders.
Жылқылар ғой мыналар.
Why'd you chase them off?
To show you how some machines startle easily if they detect you and run away. They're best approached by stealth. Don't worry. We'll catch up with them further down the valley. You'll see. Now, I want you to find some rocks that fit the cup of your hand.
Why?
Do as I say, Aloy, and gather the rocks. I will show you how to use them. Good. That's it. Those will do. Follow.
Қайсымен қатты жүгіре ме? Ой-ой-ой. Таптым.
Stop wasting time. There's the herd. All right. It's time to throw some rocks.
But rocks can't hurt machines, right?
No, but they can distract them. Draw them into traps. Like that watcher over there. They must be dealt with, or it will warn the herd and send them running before we get in range.
Warn them? How?
The machines speak to each other, Aloy. Unless they are first silenced. Now you stay here on the ridge. On my signal, throw rocks and draw the watcher over to me. Wait for my signal. Aloy, throw a rock near me. Harvest the kill, so there. Come, girl, let's save her. Harvest the kill, Aloy. Pay attention. Good. Now, gather stalks of ridgewood from the plants over there. Use the stalks as arrow shafts, and metal shards for arrowheads.
Man, bizde sadaktın oğlu var
You'll
endi.
never run out of arrows if you know how to craft what you need. Let's put those arrows to use. Follow.
Hayran var endi. Kaysısın ey?
Here, stay low in the grass and be quiet. It's time to make your first kill. The Strider, one of the weaker machines. But even a weak machine can kill a hunter if she's careless. You must study it. Its
Arrow
hind
kaynalıp ketken
there
jalık
are
var mı?
spots where it is vulnerable, like its eye. Can you guess another?
Ne isteyeyim lan?
On its back. Is that a weakness?
Yes.
Ölmedi koy. Yok kötü.
Again! Good, good, now strike! Again!
Yok mu ya?
You did well today, but you have much to learn. Tomorrow, we train again. What was that?
That boy! The one running the brave trails.
Follow Aloy, quick!
Oy oy oy yoma suga çok kötü tükende ekan da. Da bir tospaydı ekan adam. Aldı артына карамай жүрүп бара жатыр. О, сордай. Епа. Мыналар іздеп жүр.
I can do nothing. It's only a matter of time before the machines find that boy and kick him to death. But if I shoot, it'll cause a stampede. It'll trample him.
But I can see the paths they take.
Stop telling stories.
I'm not. I can sneak through.
You will
Lan
not.
bileyim deginiz görmey жатыр ғой.
Aloy!
Ay 25 de Aloy canım.
Oh no.
Yo,
The Watcher saw me.
енді қайтем. I failed. Fail. Айырып тастады ғой.
I need to move slowly, quietly, so I can sneak past. Can't let them see me.
Что боится?
Got to be careful.
Yak aldığımda dur oy. Değerli aldığımda dur. Onu kırmekli görüydüm. Sırla.
Almost there.
Ötüp кетейік жылдам. Опа.
There he is.
İsteyip жатсың ей. Жынды.
Hey,
What? How is this?
follow me.
How do you know to avoid them? How are you doing this? How is this possible?
Ема жеттік аққар.
So, it is no plaything.
Wait. Oh, Mother, bless that girl. Bless you both. Boy! She saved me. I just wanted... Boy!
Seal your lips!
Мына екеуі екі тайтанның адамы ғой, е, сонда.
She is motherless.
Come now. Back to Mother's heart.
Солай. Айбай. Астынан біліп берді ғой.
That boy should not have spoken to us. It's against tribal law. We'll go home now. Follow.
Мен білем дейді.
I know the way.
Үйге қайтамыз деген жолды білем деді ғой. Айбай. Якпа. Дәл басынан тиді ғой мына тас.
Stay away, no mother.
What? Мынау Болливуд қой. Окей. Мына жерде мынандай нәрсе тыңдаймыз.
Stop!
Children, away from there. Back to picking berries.
You're bleeding. Let me have a look. Here, hold still. I'll get it.
Why? Why am I an outcast?
Aloy, this is not the time.
Who was my mother?
Aloy, I've told you before, that's not for us to know. You were just a newborn when the matriarchs brought you to
Сен
me.
туған
So the
кезде
matriarchs,
әйтеу бірден
they know?
кетеді әйтеу.
It's not so simple.
But they know.
Aloy, we are outcasts.
So how do I make them tell me?
The matriarchs? There is a way, perhaps.
So tell me.
It would be dangerous.
How?
It would take years of training.
I don't care. How do I do it? Tell me.
The proving. The tribe's rite of passage held every year. Those who pass become braves. But to the one who wins, the matriarchs grant a boon.
Boom?
Yes, whatever the winner wants.
Then I'll do it. Whatever it takes. I'll win the proving.
I see. We'd best get started then. Your training will be hard. And it'll take years.
Start training? Yes. Follow.
Dikkat. Мә, жаттығып жатыр жесткий. Hey, hayda. Gel figür falan. Давай, дырки, вырвала. Tamam. Kuyuk bir tema, çalgı sette. разговаривает. Құлағындағы әл жүрі.
Rost? Rost? Rost?
Rost деген әкесі емес, анау бір асырап алған адам ба, сондай адам ғой. Жоқ анау. Рост жоқ екен. Достар, сонымен біз осы жерден аяқтайық видеоны. Видео ұнаса каналға тіркеліп, видеоға лайк басып, коммент жазып кетіңіздер. Ал пока-пока.